Hello friends, this is Ernest and today I am going to talk about PC Manager. PC Manager is a little tool that comes with Microsoft Windows 10 and probably any version above that can help you keep your PC healthy. This tool is very instrumental and easy to use by anyone. It doesn't really need you to be an IT person in order to use this tool. So as you can see on my screen here, this is the link to the site. It comes as an extension on Windows Store. So without any waste of time, I've already downloaded a copy, but I want to show you how you can do that on your end. So if you come to this to the Windows website, you click on download here, then this will lead you to this will bring you to the Microsoft Store, and then you will see this extension and it will tell you to download. It's open now because I already downloaded it. It's on my system. So you click on download and allow it to download. It will download and install itself. When that is done, then it will prompt you to either allow it to come on whenever you log into Windows. I think for me I accepted that. So when that is done, you are going to have this little tool you see on the screen here. It will be, let me just expand, bring it to the center. I'm not sure we can expand that. So now here it gives the welcome message, but you can see that it tells you a lot of information. Temporary files on my system now is 295 megabytes, and I can go ahead and download that, right? And optimize to remove that. So it tells you the memory usage, tells you the health, it tells you the processes that are running. It tells you. But now let's put it to action. Let's say boost and see what it's gonna do. So you see the temporary files are gone, and now my memory is optimized and I have 56% of memory usage. Now let's say check health. Let's check the health. So you're gonna scan. Now it's asking me to proceed, and I say okay, everything is done. So a browser cache, temporary files, and any recent file is removed. Now let's come back here, so it can tell you the time when you lastly check the health of your system, right? Let's come to processes here. So process management, here you can end processes. If you want to terminate anything that is consuming memory for nothing, you can click there and then click on end, and that will stop that process, right? And then clean up local disks. So it's gonna analyze your disks and it will tell you the different areas that are consuming storage on your system. So recommended items dictated for cleanup. So it already highlighted this. If I know that this is not useful, I can clean it up. So you have to be careful so that you know exactly what you are doing, because you can clean something that you need. So you just have to check the ones that you want to clean up, and the ones that you don't want to clean up, you can allow it. Okay, so I am going to clean up just for the demonstration of the tool. So we have recovered 2 gigabit of space. Okay, now I can come here and I see that okay, I have recovered some space. Okay, so startup apps, this is your startup apps. Microsoft OneDrive, I can turn it off since I'm not using it, so when my system start, it's not gonna come on. Okay, let's come to protection. So this is virus and threat protection, right? If I click there, it's gonna open this area that will tell me that okay, you wanna give me the current. It's scanning, it's running a scan, let's so it give you also other the state of your system. So it's even telling me here that ransomware protection, set up OneDrive for file recovery. Yeah, so like for a backup, right? So that if something happened to your system, you will have a backup copy to restore that system. That is what is warning here. Okay, so it's running some scan, and you see that from here you get a lot of stuff you can do from one spot, you know just like the gallery utility I was talking about. But uh, Microsoft also bring us some good tools that can allow us to keep our system healthy. Yeah, so while this is running, let's keep going. So you can check for available updates here. Default browser settings. Default browser setting will allow you to select which browser you want it to be your default. Taskbar repair, restore default app. You have pop-up manager. You have network connect. I think this will look for your network speed for sure. Let's see. Network disconnected. So you can see our scan is done running, and it's a Microsoft Defender antivirus scan your device at 8:06 a.m. It gives you the statistics here. But if you see here, it says zero threat found. Okay, these are the number of files that were scanned, and you can see that my system is healthy. Yeah, good. So you see, it has fixed that network problem, and everything looks good now. You can see status connected. See, and you can see statistics of my network on this virtual space where I am working. Okay, good. So I think that was a good little tool there. Here on storage, you can see the amount of storage you have consumed, what space is left. You can do deep clean up. You can also manage download files, large files, duplicate files, storage sense. Storage sense will scan your storage as when you see this little dot, it means it will take you to to open the tool right in the window itself. So let's do some deep scanning here. So now it tells me that a total of this megabyte item detected for cleanup. If you are sure you don't need those items, that's why you have to check. If it's something you don't you think is not useful, then you can proceed. But that is the way you clean your system to keep it healthy. So you cannot do this because the program is open here, it's in use, good. So if you click there, it brings you to the download location, and you can select what you want to remove, select what you want to delete, and go ahead and delete it. So it scan for large. When you click that one, it scan for large files for you and show them here for you. Okay, this one will look for duplicate files. We don't have any duplicate files. Storage sense will open storage sense here. Storage sense doesn't turn on by default, but you can turn it on. And when you see when you turn it on there, you can schedule a lot of stuff here. When you want it to delete temporary files, you can you can select, you can say, okay, in 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, or 30 days, that's every month, or every 2 months. So that will depend on your choice, right? If you are low on space, you want to free up space, when you click on clean now, it's gonna analyze your storage, and then it will give you the different okay, so that is it about here we have apps. So it's telling us that we have 7 processes running, and you can see them here. Start up app, deep uninstall. Let me see what that. Okay, if you click on delete, it will remove the app from your system. Okay, so you can experiment with the tool, and there's a lot to benefit from this tool, and I'll leave it to you to experiment with it, and then let me know how you think about this tool. Enjoy it, and I will see you later. Thank you, and bye bye now.